Hi guys, I hope previous session will be understood you. Myself Anantha Raman, Allied College of Engineering, CSE AML. Today we're going to see the extension of the previous session, that is that components of networks, computer networks, that is that cables. We're going to see about the cables. Cables that means linking the devices. They have we seen earlier. There are so many elements of computers, computer networks. In that we saw some network devices or maybe components involved in the end devices. Now we are moving to the transmission medium cables. That is the today's session. In that they have so many types are there. First of all, they have two types of communication. One is the wired communication, and the another one is the wireless communication. So today we covering about the wired communication only. What is meant by wired communication? With the help of one medium to carry the signal from one end to the another end. That is that wired communication. With the help of wired communication, we want to use some protocols also because we have not disclosed any protocols till now. So don't take off that protocols here. Simply we think about that it is used to one protocol. Okay, the protocol will be take off your signal from sender to the receiver with the help of cables. That is a medium, transmission medium. There are different types of cables. That also we going to see in that upcoming session in that OSI model, in that physical layer. We'll see that cables. But here we'll see the abstract view of the cables. There are three types of cables. The first one is the twisted pair cable. This that generally we'll tell high speed cable that transmit data over 1 Gbps or more. That is the pair cable. That is TP cable. Then next is the coaxial cable. What is mean coaxial cable? Earlier days they used it for cable TV, that is TV installation cable. They used for this type of cable. I used the image also here. This is that coaxial cable. They have one outer jacket, then inside there one insulation, then again one plastic, then again one core will be used. That is that coaxial cable, right? Then next is the fiber optic cable. That is nowadays for high speed transmission purpose. We are using fiber cable. This is like a glass clearance used for to transmit the signal like light beams to sending the data in through high speed communication. They used for some high level transaction areas and etc. etc. Nowadays, everywhere it is available only fiber optic cable only. You see, I used here that image fiber optic. They have some like hairs. Then in middle, they have one line that is that very important fiber. They used to carry the signal through that reflection mode, right? Then here I used untwisted pair cable, that is UTP cable. So generally we have so many types of UTP cable like Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, what categories that is it? Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3, Cat 4, Cat 5, then Cat 5e, Cat 6, Cat 6a, Cat 7. Like this, there are varieties of categories involved in the cables. According to the speed of data communication, we use the Cat cables. Generally, we use the Cat 3 cable for our data communication here. I hope this session will be understood for you all. Thank you. See you.